At Vox Singing Academy's YouTube channel, we give away a lot of free tips, tricks, and techniques regarding singing. But if you really want to improve your voice, become a VIP or platinum member where you'll gain instant access to 17 in-depth vocal training courses giving you everything that you need to do to improve your voice quickly. So check out the 4 membership options below. I highly recommend though the VIP training access. This full membership includes the 17 custom courses that are not available anywhere else. They're exclusively only available to YouTube members. You can't even get these on the Ultimate Online Singing Course website or the Vox Singing Academy website. These are exclusively only offered to YouTube members. But plus, you'll also get a 50% discount to the Ultimate Online Singing Course. This gives you absolutely everything you need to know about singing and to become a great performer. I'm talking everything. No stone is left unturned. Every genre is covered. Every technique is covered. Microphone technique is covered. Stage presentation, songwriting, working through songs, how to become a professional artist, how to tour. Absolutely everything is covered. So you get a 50% discount when you sign up to the VIP training access. Plus, you'll also get a 30-minute consultation with myself, video consultation with myself every 6 months. You'll also get a shout out that will be dedicated to you. A video will be made for you and dedicated to you with your name on it. Plus, you'll get a 20% discount on all merchandise. Plus, you'll get everything else all of the other memberships have. When you sign up, you'll get immediate access to all of the perks and rewards. So start developing the voice you've always wanted with Australia's premier singing academy since 1993, Vox Singing Academy.